Wow. Abby, what make you think of yourself? Remember you put a while ago. Alright guys, that was the none. Hey, this thing ugly. I'm afraid of me about the mask. That was a non-scare prank. Yeah, Abby, you alright?
Yeah, but you can't have something.
Hey, friend of me, you know? Why you have to go over the table? Why you have to be so extra? You don't feel like when they call it hurt me, like I feel afraid when I do this a while ago, like I know how scary it is, you know. John Star. Hey.
Yeah, man. Chacaron!
Hey, like come in and like come here and put on me and say, yo, it looks so scary, like.
Yeah, but we get the mask.
I forgot to try to prank some other people with this mask. Hey, a while ago, we went to Shack. And Shack. Hey, we went to Shack. Guys, I'll be Shack. Shack, we went to Shack. And grab him, Shack jump. And Shack said, I'm not afraid, I'll be afraid. Comment down below if you guys think this prank was scary. I know the quality might not be as good because at night, you know how to do this prank in the night, of course. And the quality of the camera not the best, but you guys must have seen something. But guys, comment down below. Team Capo and Team Abbi, if you still say Team Abbi, because Team Abbi just weak. Abbi don't even try to prank me every time, you know, from what they should not prank me, like, why not prank me again? You not prank me again? You lose, you touch?
Yeah, but mom, no, touch.
Anyways guys, so, if you're new to my channel, I mean, to our channel, subscribe. Oh, when they can't ever see me, I just feel like more laugh. Subscribe and comment down below if you like us. Share a video if you thought it was funny. Oh yeah, we did a video this morning, so she have a makeup scene when you're lovely. So guys, oh, follow us on Instagram at Abbi_Capo and at where are you on Instagram? Abbi Attaz, and also follow me personally at I Am Cappuccino. So guys, see you in our next video.